Hey guys, it's Jill. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. Today's video is going to be a beauty haul from Shein, and I'm going to show you all of the really cool things that you can get on Shein's website. We're going to do an unboxing and a haul. Huge thank you to Shein for sponsoring today's video. This is going to be your coupon code. Don't forget to use that. Everything's going to be linked down below in the description box along with the coupon code, but the coupon code is right here on the screen and it's going to save you 15% off your order, so do not forget to use that. First up, we have this Marilyn Monroe. Girl, I tried to get all the hair out. I've been using it. A Marilyn Monroe brush. This is what it looks like, and then this is what it looks like here. It's just very pretty and I love it. And it also does a good job at brushing your hair as well. Keeping with the Marilyn Monroe theme, we have this clip right here, which I think is absolutely stunning. You have pictures of Marilyn Monroe. It's a nice big clip. And then you have these pearls right here, which you absolutely see whenever it's in your hair. So that's really pretty as well. So love this. They also sent me a Marilyn Monroe mirror, which I was so devastated because it was a handheld, one of those things like this. I'll put a picture of it up here, but it came and it was broken. So unfortunately, I can't show you that because it's in the trash because there was glass. I didn't want glass everywhere. This, if you need help contouring your nose, this is what you want. This comes in a pack of 2 brushes. And when I tell you, this just makes it simple. Like, you do not need to think. You don't know how to contour your nose, you need to get these brushes because it just tells you, it basically tells you exactly where you need to go. And then it also has this right here where it just perfectly fits right up here and it just goes down. And then just perfect for when you go around here. These brushes, I'm telling you, you need them. It makes contouring your nose so incredibly easy. It's just really thin. Do you see how thin it is? And it's just like, it's not super dense. It's kind of fluffy, but like the bristles stay where they are. They don't like splay out and go all over. So they just, they're perfect. They're perfect for nose contour. Highly, highly, highly recommend. Love them. Next, we have these charcoal nose strips. You have 10 pieces in here, and they are, the thing I love about Shein is everything is like super, super, super cheap. So instead of going to the drugstore or to Target or whatever and paying like, what are the strips now? Like 10, 15 bucks? So inexpensive. So definitely check out Shein for your, like any kind of beauty supply thing that you think that you might need. Go ahead and check Shein's website because 9 times out of 10, because they also have makeup too. 9 times out of 10, they're going to have it. So next we have this hand cream set. It is the fruit hand cream set, and you just have 3 different scents. So you've got coconut, peach, and mango. This is for the tropical girlies that are ready for these 20-degree temperatures to go ahead and come back up to 70 degrees, but no higher than 70 degrees. Mango, peach, and coconut, they smell absolutely delicious, divine. I love them. The peach is especially my fave because it smells like just like peaches. It smells really, really, really good. So love this as well. And this is a great gift idea for any time of the year. This right here is a little brush washer, which is so cool. All of the batteries I have apparently are dead because I tried to put I put batteries in it and tried to get it to work, and it would work for like a second and then it would just stop. So but this is really cool because you can literally just put your brush in, and this down here, you see that down there, spins, so it helps to clean your brushes more efficiently and quicker. And on top of that, speaking of brush cleaner, if you don't want to do that and you want to just do this, because that does obviously take batteries, and if you don't have them, then you gotta go buy them. Like I don't have them. I'm not gonna go buy them because your girl's on a very tight budget. But anyways, this right here is so cute. So first of all, in here right here, you have the little brush cleaner, and it has all these different grooves, which I absolutely love. I also love the fact that it's a circle thing. So what I currently have is something that you stick on your sink and I don't love it, but I use it all the time because I love the little scrubbies because it really gets your brushes clean. It really gets into your brushes. So I love that. However, I don't love my little sticky thing. So this is perfect because it's like a little bowl. It's so much easier. It's so much less messy. It's so much less messy. And then when you're done, you can just put your brushes in there and you just hang this and you let them dry. Genius. I about shrieked like, ah! when I took this out of the packaging because I was like, oh my gosh, first of all, I love this. So you have basically like, this is huge. So basically a makeup bag or a toiletry bag. So whenever you travel or whatever, you can have your little toiletries and it's a very big bag. It's also very cute being pink and clear. And then inside you get so many different things. You get these kind of sponges that are slanted, which I absolutely love. You get a regular sponge. Here's another slanted one that's slanted right there. I'm like, I love these. And then you have the little powder puffs, which is perfect for applying powder up underneath your eye because it just goes right into that corner. And also it helps with the nose contour too because it doesn't get over, it's not gonna go over the line. These are absolutely perfect. So, ooh, 3 of them come in there. And they're just, these are so good. These are actually really good too for applying your powder. Like if you kind of press it like this, it's really good because it really just kind of like locks your makeup into place. And then you have this, oh my God, so cute, this itty little baby one. So it's like even like more perfect. And then you have a little heart one. So cute. And then you have these little itty bitty baby ones, which again are super, super, super adorable. This right here, I believe is the cleaner. So you can have your little grooves and just kind of clean your sponges with this thing. It comes with a fluffy brush, like a little blush brush. And then we have 3 more little sponges. I love this. So inexpensive. I have been using, if you guys watched my last Shein haul, this is the one that I've been using. I've been using it for like months on end. I absolutely love it. And I can't tell you the last time I've actually bought like the name brand of these sponges because there's no point. These Shein sponges are really, really, really good. And for the price of this, girl, you better go get you some, especially if you travel or just need sponges, and especially these little powder puffs. These are perfect. Next, we have this crimper right here, which I wanted to use this, so stay tuned. I'm gonna test this out in a vlog, but people have said that if you go up and under like your hair like here and crimp it, that it'll give you more body and texture. I don't know if it's true, but either way, this is a crimper. They have a crimper. So hair tools, if you want to go get the crimper or look and see if they have like something that you're looking for, like absolutely insane. Like I would never think that they had a hair crimper or hair tools. So this one's really cool because you just turn it on right here. It comes up. As it comes to temperature, it literally tells you the temperature it's coming to. It's red, it's bright, it has a nice long cord, and then it also has this little thing right here where you can just push up and it clamps this and holds it down. So it's perfect for storage, so it's not all open. And yeah, super, super simple and easy to use. I love this and I cannot wait to test it out with the little, so just watch one of my weekly vlogs because that'll be coming up soon where I test it to see if that's good for, because there's an actual product, but I also heard that you can actually just use a crimper too. So we're gonna test that out in a weekly vlog coming up. So next we have this really cute little bag. It's kind of knitted and as you can see, it's definitely kind of winter-esque. Super cute. My mom is gonna love this. Like this is gonna be absolutely perfect for her. And something I was thinking too that this would be perfect for, and I know we're like getting past the holidays and whatnot, but this would be really great like if you have someone that has a January, February birthday, to get this and use it as a dual purpose bag. So you can put their present in here, but then they also, instead of throwing away the gift bag, they get to keep the gift bag. So that's a really good suggestion too. This right here is a little bubble former. So if you have something that you want to form bubbles, you just put it down in there. This is what the inside looks like. So you just put it down in there, put water in it, I'm assuming, and then you just kind of go like this and it will form the bubbles for you. And then I don't know if you guys know this, but Shein has extensions. Like, how freaking cool is that? These are fun for just a little pop of color, but they feel really good. And the clip feels really secure. And you can just put this in, and you have your little, see how this is pretty long. I think it's probably like a 22-inch, but you can just have a fun little, what's it called? Great, now I gotta find this extension. They do have all different colors, so if that is something that is of interest of you, they have these cool hair extensions in a pack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in a pack comes 6 of them. And like I said, they have all different kinds of colors for you to choose from. Y'all already know my obsession with their press-on nails. They are super inexpensive. I have already worn these ones. They were so incredibly cute. And these are the shorts. Love, just absolutely love them. And then these ones, girl, these are freaking beautiful. Look at them. Look at how pretty they are. Y'all know these because I like shorter nails, so I am going to use these. I'm just going to cut them, but how pretty is that? And then they have the little jewels on there. These remind me of one of my favorite pair of nails that I get from another brand that I pay like triple the price for. So yeah, they also have press-on nails. Y'all know, like, I have my entire linen closet in my bathroom is stocked with Shein nails because they're so inexpensive, and when they go on the nail, they look so natural. So last but not least, we have this little silicone brush right here. So if you need a silicone brush for any reason, it's very soft and squishy. What silicone brushes are good for is they don't soak up any product, and they just help to blend any kind of cream or liquid product. So I completely forgot to show you guys this, but I also have this, which is the Avocado Color Changing Lip Care. It is so incredibly moisturizing. And a lot of times whenever I've done like kind of lip color changing lip things, they always come out with a really not so great looking color for me. But this one's actually not bad. I do have it on right now, but I also do have other colors on, so you're not gonna get the color, but the moisture, this stuff is amazing. All right, guys, that is going to do it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you leave me a comment down below. Make sure you subscribe if you are new here and you have not subscribed yet. And I want to say a huge thank you to Shein for sponsoring today's video. Again, don't forget to use this coupon code right here to save 15% off. That's also going to be listed down below in the description box along with all of the products that I just showed you. They're also going to be listed down below in the description box. I love you guys. Have an amazing day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.